JMAI Photoshop Lite. One click, no watermark, no subscription. Stuck on ideas? Use Inspire Me. Type a simple request like relaxing coffee ad or album cover for indie band. The app generates multiple AI-ready prompts, and you choose one to turn into an actual image in just a few clicks. So that's JMAI Photoshop Lite in action, a modular AI-powered playground built on Google AI Studio. If you want to see real results, not just promises, check the links in the description, watch the full demos, and test the app yourself. One click, no watermark, no subscription. I don't talk much. I just let the images speak for me.